We all experience negative thoughts about our ability to do something from time to time. Negative thoughts really do affect your state of mind. You probably don't realize it, but when you experience negative thoughts from your self-talk, it will put a huge dent in your confidence and change your outlook to a negative one. A negative thought spiral is also highly likely to put you in a bad mood as well. The best way to escape from this negative thinking is to install a powerful set of positive thoughts about yourself and your capabilities. This will have the total opposite effect of negative thinking and will empower you to tackle anything, no matter if you have done it before or not. But how do you do that? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn how to create the most powerful affirmations and how to use them in the right way to change your life for the better. You will learn all of the benefits affirmations can provide so that you can keep your motivation at the highest levels. You will learn proven ways to use your affirmations each day to obtain the best results with them. You will learn the most common mistakes that people make and how to avoid them. You will learn the need for you to have a purpose in your life and use your affirmations to support this. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you change your life using the power of affirmations. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What are affirmations and how do they work? The benefits of positive affirmations. How to successfully create your positive affirmations. Define the purpose in your life. Examples of life affirmations. Common mistakes with affirmations you need to avoid. The best way to use your affirmations each day. Ways you can reinforce your affirmations. Affirmations best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to change your life using the power of affirmations. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to create the most powerful affirmations and learn how to use them in the right way to change your life for the better. You want to know all of the benefits affirmations can provide so that you keep your motivation at the highest levels. You want to know proven ways to use your affirmations each day to obtain the best results with them. You want to know the most common mistakes that people make and how to avoid them. You want to know the need for you to have a purpose in your life and use your affirmations to support this. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to change your life using the power of affirmations, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you change your life using the power of affirmations. I'll see you on the inside.